How can you save photos in a different albums on the iPhone? Let's talk about that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, inside of your Photos app, you can go to the collections at the bottom, and there you can browse your albums. And in order to move photos in between albums, just at first create a brand new one. So you can tap on the plus button, create a new album, and name it whatever you want, right? So you can go like this. And then before you hit create, you can also tap on add photos and literally decide from your entire gallery which photos will go into that photo album. So you can see that you can save any photos in any album which you just created, right? That's how it works if you're creating a brand new one. Other than that, you can return back to your regular library, select a bunch of photos and videos, tap on the option to share, and you can also tap on add to album, which lets you either again create a brand new one or move it into an existing album within your Photos app. So it works like from two different angles, as you can see, and you can just easily reorganize your photos into albums and photos like in folders as well. So this is how it works. Again, if you want to delete the photos from just the album, like remove it from there, you can as well go to the collections, tap on albums, get inside any of them. And when you select the images, you can tap on share and also just remove it from the album like this. So yeah, that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.